Science has improved drastically. It's so fast that we don't think the same way last day, and tomorrow you will be thinking different way, because it has changed the concepts, it has changed even the minutest things we do. We used to call your friends on a small telephone when I was small. Now we all carry it on our mobile phones. Now we can see each other. It was just a fictional story some time back. Maybe another 30 years back it was like that. Soon we will be able to project everything on an image, and we might be able to see 3D images right in front of us, and we may be able to interact soon with virtual reality. Even where we are standing now was not possible some years back. Around 100 years back, this was just a dream. Most of the kings used to live in the seaside or riverside and things like that in their palaces. Now we have tall buildings, and which is just looking to the sea, and we just enjoy this. Even it is possible for people who are of the meek people who are living like me in the villages could afford and come and stay in such places like this.
Build your brand globally. Make your venture a success. Unique Times, Premium Business Lifestyle Magazine.
So this is what science has done even in dentistry. Why I am talking this is because some of the people have been looking into old researches which was done 100 years back, and they say that dentistry is such and such, it can cause infections, it can cause that, and it cause this. But we have moved from that dentistry totally, and we can do dentistry much more precisely and much more effectively. The softwares which we have developed can do things that could be done over months in just 1 or 2 days. That is what the speed is. Just like we used to travel to America from India in ships, and it used to be treacherous. Now we have cruise liners which are much more safer. And now we have aircrafts which can take you much more faster. This is how dentistry has changed also, because it is much more faster, it is much more safer. The aircrafts which we are is much more safer than cars. So this is how dentistry also has changed. So make use of this dentistry. Why I am talking about is actually the teledentistry has really made dentistry much more better place. A person who is sitting in US or in UK or in Europe or anywhere in Gulf, they call me and they ask me doubts over the phone. They do a teleconsultation. We could give ideas, plans and everything sitting in India for people who are in US. Even we can do most of the treatments, even orthodontics sitting here in India, or they have to travel just for 1 week, and we do most of the treatments here. It is possible only due to technology, it is possible only due to software. So you should not think as though it is, it is the same. No, it is not the same. The pain has gone, the time has reduced, and it is much more comfortable, and even it is available in most of the places. This is all about science which has transformed dentistry and revolutionized the way we think in dentistry. So make use of this. If you are still going in the bullock cart age, it is time to think about the rocket and space shuttles in dentistry now, because it is no more extraction of teeth for infected teeth. Root canal has been there for 200 years, but at that point of time we had only limited success. Now we have root canal treatment which is more than 99% successful. Thanks to lasers, thanks to disinfectant protocols, the way we do the more precise x-rays which can be done in just 3 seconds. Just 20 years back or 30 years back, when I joined my dentistry, in my own dad's practice, it was only x-rays, and it used to take 15 minutes to take one x-ray. It used to be so cumbersome. The patient has to move and go to another room and take an x-ray. But that was the technology at that time, but we still had it. 20 years back I moved to digital dentistry. Now it is just 3 seconds for an X-ray. 15 minutes to 3 seconds makes a difference. And now we do most of the root canals in just 30 minutes. I am just telling about root canals because that is one area which is actually really changed. Not only root canal, whether it is your crown preparation, putting implants, whether it is your orthodontics, everything is much more faster, much more precise, much more efficient, and it can be done in very few appointments. Why I am talking about appointments is because, see, most of the time at the earlier ages, we could travel to different places by road in much more simpler time. But now the bigger problem is in the travel. You don't have time. Most of us are not doing any agriculture. We don't have time. We are much more faster than anybody else. We are on the run. So we don't have time to wait in queues in hospitals, clinics or anything. So we need to make as short appointments and also as less appointments as possible. That is also possible with dentistry, which is improved in these years.
Time won't wait for you. Technology can't be redefined. We are ready to start the game. TQ Watches, your style icon.
So what used to be done in multiple appointments like root canal, I'll just take root canal itself. 5 appointments was root canal treatment. Now it is just single appointment. A crown used to be done over so many weeks. Now it is done in 1 or 2 or 3 days. That's it. The appointments has become just 2. And there are crowns that can be made just in the clinic. That is clinical chairside crowns, which can be made, prepared and cemented on the same day. Why I am telling all these things is, even those who are sitting in the other side of the world, that is in US, UK, in UAE or even from Maldives or anywhere in the place, even all the states of the India, they come to me and do treatments because it is much more efficient and it is much more this thing. It is possible to do it in any better dental clinic which is in India. And India has made and proven that during this COVID ages that Indian medicine is at par with global or even better than most of the global countries. So please share this video to understand more about dentistry. I'll be coming up with newer videos on different treatments and how it has changed over these years. Please make sure that you watch and subscribe so that you can send it to different people whom you know. Even those people who are in Gulf, the NRIs, or even those people who are in US and UK, or even your friends who doesn't have time, who are working in software all through the night, those successful people who doesn't have time because they are acting and doing such blogs, video blogs and things like that, they don't have time. Please send it to them so that they also can avail these wonderful facets of dentistry and make their smiles and bites beautiful and perfect. Thank you very much.